Hey guys, welcome to day 12 of our 12 days of Christmas freebies and crafts. If you have been following us over on TikTok or Instagram, then you know all about the amazing Christmas goodies we have given away over the last 11 days. Today's video is the craft addition to this series. Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos. I'm Latoya, and in today's video, I'm going to show you all how to create custom wrappers for the ramen noodle soup packs over on Canva. For those of you who are interested in the ready to edit template, you can head on over to our website to download it. That way you can get started right away. We have the 3-ounce ramen noodle soup pack template, and we also have the cup template available. To get started, the first thing you want to do is head on over to canva.com and log into your account or create a free account if you don't already have one. You can try Canva Pro free for 30 days when you use our referral link in the description box down below. Next, you want to head on up to custom size, make sure it's in inches, and you want your page size to be 8.5 by 11 inches. Once your blank canvas pulls up, you can head on over to Element, scroll down to Lines and Shapes, and from here we can start creating our template. At this point, I'm using the ready to edit version of this template, which is the exact same template I just showed you all how to create. The only difference is I have already set everything up for you. That way you can go in and start creating your design. You can do a quick Google search to find images and logos and upload them to Canva. Now let's get to the fun part and start designing. After that, I'm going to print and assemble. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I hope you all found this video tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and drop me a comment down below. If you're interested in the pre-made version of this template, you can head on over to our website to download it. While you're over on the website, feel free to check out all of our other ready-to-edit templates. We also have custom party favors that can be personalized and printed today. It's also my birthday, and to celebrate, you all can get 30% off all of our ready-to-edit templates and custom party favors when you use code HWTK30 at checkout. If you miss any of our 12 days of Christmas freebies, you can find them over on our website under our 12 days of Christmas blog post, and I'll be sure to leave a link to it in the description box down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell and follow us over on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook at Hanging with the Kiddos. I hope that you all have a Merry Christmas and see you next time. Bye.